Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Although I'm a huge advocate of daily use of any and all fermented foods because they're so ridiculously good for us, fermented plant foods are the cream of the crop. Think sauerkraut, tempeh, which is made from fermented beans, often soybeans, or any other fermented veggie. Why? With fermented veggies, you're getting a double bonus. Those amazing probiotics, beneficial bacteria, and the fiber that feeds them, the fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria. We call that fiber prebiotics. So with your kraut, your tempeh, and other fermented plant foods, you get both prebiotics and probiotics. Finally, thank you so much for being here and feeding your hunger for health. I'll see you next week. Greetings. I want to make sure you know that something big is coming in the new year. In fact, it stands alone as the most thorough, the most up-to-date, the most ambitious, and the most comprehensive of any healthy living course I have ever created. We are calling it Dr. Ann's Magnum Opus for healthy living because that is what it is. There are 5 essential pillars for healthy living, and with this all-inclusive masterclass, I take you through each of them. With each pillar, you will learn what to do, why to do it, and how to make it a reality in your life. First, we will cover the master lever, eating for optimal health. You will leave with 0 questions about what constitutes the healthiest way to eat. Next, we will venture into the mind-blowing area of nurturing your microbiome, the gateway to health and healing. We then move on to the magic of physical activity. After this moving step, you will understand why I never miss a day of exercise. Next, we will tackle the proverbial missing pillar, optimizing your breathing. Most everyone is in the dark when it comes to the incredible power of breathing properly. Finally, we finish with the Swiss Army knife for health, sleeping better forever. Improving your sleep improves all physical, all cognitive, and all mental, emotional issues, every single one. As a special bonus, my daughter Lucy, who is a culinary phenom, will join me in the Healthy Living School kitchen and will show you how to make scrumptious one-dish meals, yes, one-dish meals, each filled with variety and flexibility, and they're easy to prepare. Regarding the deliverables that come with this Magnum Opus e-course, they include highly motivating instructional videos, detailed handouts, comprehensive plan of action sheets, indispensable cheat sheets, a kitchen makeover guide, a user-friendly grocery shopping guide, and of course, all the recipes. For healthy icing on the cake, this masterclass includes 6 live Zoom sessions with yours truly, plus lifetime access. Yes, I said lifetime access to all course materials. I would be honored to have you join us and know that it will change your life for the better.